Hi, I'm Martin Atkins. I want to tell you about my pitch for a South by Southwest panel 2022. Goodwitness is a good place to start. Great things happen when you do stuff. Nothing happens when you don't. I've spoken at the last 12 South Bys in a row, mainly about how to be more successful, how to run a Kickstarter, how to do this, how to do that. Always looking for different ways to express myself, and I might have found it. I just opened a museum called the Museum of Post-Punk and Industrial Music. I spent 5 years with Public Image Limited, joined Killing Joke, went on the road with Ministry on the famous Cage tour, started my own record label, wrote a few books, and started teaching almost 20 years ago. What I want to tell you is the new format. It's museums. Museums are the next punk rock. How do you do it? How dare we do it? How do we bootstrap it? How do we make this stuff happen? Museums are the place that songs used to be the place where things came together and you created something larger than the song itself. The sum total of the moments and the things that happened when you were listening to the song. That's what museums are now. That's what I'm trying to create here. A place where stories happen and where we understand the only constant thing is change. We're changing the formats. Museums are the next punk rock. I hope you'll consider voting for my South by Southwest panel 2022. We're taking care of business.